Good morning, Sunflowers. It's Mrs. Bevilacqua here, and welcome to your number session for today. Before we start, go and get your learning pack. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. And to begin with, we're going to practice writing our numbers. Let's warm up those brains. How many spots are on my dice? That's correct. There are 5 spots on my dice. Well done. How many spots have I got now? That's correct. I have 3 spots on my dice. Well done. How many spots have I got all together on these 2 dices? That's right. I have 8 spots on my dice. Good counting. This time I have 3 dice. How many spots are on my dice now? That's right. There are 3 spots, 1 on each dice. And the last one, how many spots have I got on my dice? That's correct. I have 8 spots altogether. 4 on one dice and 4 on another. Well done. Today we are looking at 2 groups of objects that make 10. So to be able to do this, you need to be able to count carefully and work out how many more is needed to make 10. If you haven't already, go and get yourself a piece of paper. Pause the video now and go and get it. Okay, right, let's hope you've got your piece of paper and your pencil. So, I want to know, how many eggs can you see? Can you write it down on your piece of paper? Okay, so how many eggs were there? That's right, there were 2 eggs. And here is how we write a number 2. Well done. How many eggs did you see? Can you remember? That's right, there are 2. How do we write number 2? Go round and a nice straight line. Number 2, there were 2 eggs. How many ducks can you see? Write the answer on your piece of paper. Remember to look closely and count carefully. Okay, so how many ducks could you see? And you had to look really carefully and closely to make sure that you saw them all. That's right, there were 5 ducks. So I'm going to write a number 5, just like that. Well done. How many bees can you see? Write down the answer on your piece of paper. Pause the video now. How many bees were there? That's right, there were 3 bees, and this is how you write a number 3. We go round the tree, round the tree. That's the way we make a 3. Make sure yours is facing the right way round. How many lambs can you see? Remember, lambs are baby sheep. How many can you see? Write down your answer on your piece of paper. Pause the video now. How many lambs were there? That's correct, there were 4. So I'm going to write number 4 on my piece of paper. Well done. And how many ladybirds can you see? Pause the video now and write down your answer. Okay, so I asked you how many ladybirds were there, and of course there was only one, so we're going to write number 1, and you all know what number 1 looks like on my piece of paper. Number 1. Well done. Here is your activity for today. What I would like you to do is go on a walk around your area or around your house or garden and write down all the different numbers or groups of things that you can see. Don't forget to share your work with us in school. It's always lovely to see all the work you've been doing at home, and I know lots of you have sent work in already. You can do this either via WhatsApp to the school mobile. You can email me and send a photograph of any of your work, or you could post it in our new post box outside school when you're out on your daily walk. I look forward to seeing your hard work. Bye bye.